Harley riders hate this radio upgrade. The wildest plug dash and play stereo swap ever. You're cruising down the highway, sun on your back, wind in your beard, and then, static. Boring. Flat. That factory radio? Total vibe killer. You fumbled with clunky buttons, cursed at broken Bluetooth, and prayed your favorite track doesn't cut out before the chorus. Sound familiar? Yeah, you're not alone. The Aquatic AV-MP5 replacement radio is calling out all Harley Touring owners, 1998 to 2013, because life's too short to ride with garbage audio. Your hog deserves better. So do your ears. Your old system isn't just annoying, it's sabotaging your whole ride. Imagine hitting a tunnel and losing all signal. Again. Or fumbling with unresponsive handlebar controls while dodging potholes. Missed turns, missed calls, missed memories. You bought your Harley for freedom, not frustration. And with outdated tech, you're stuck in audio jail while other riders blast crystal clear beats on waterproof, iPhone-friendly setups. Yeah, they're out there. And they're leaving you in the sonic dust. Boom, meet your audio savior. The Aquatic AV-MP5 isn't just a radio, it's a full-on music command center designed just for your Harley Touring, 1998 to 2013. Plug and play? Yup. Bluetooth, USB, AUX, and native iPhone and iPod support? You bet. Waterproof, rust-proof, UV-proof, salt and fog-resistant? Try riding through a hurricane, we dare you. Plus, you'll get a detachable faceplate with secret storage, James Bond Who, a built-in 288-watt amp that slaps, and factory handlebar control compatibility. It's not just better, it's ride-changing. Crystal clear AM/FM with 30 presets. Killer sound with up to 8 speakers or subwoofers. A clean, minimalist 3-inch monochrome display that adjusts brightness like a pro. Built-in charging so your phone never dies mid-ride. All wrapped in a sleek, all-black stainless steel chassis that refuses to rust. And guess what? No weird mods needed, it just fits. Riders are swapping out their stock junk and never looking back. Curious? Watch the video and see why this might be the upgrade your Harley's been begging for. Thousands of riders have already made the switch, because they're done tolerating weak sound and outdated tech. Why should you be any different? This isn't just about tunes. It's about reclaiming your ride. Your vibe. Your freedom. Don't wait till your current radio finally dies during a road trip, again. Stocks don't last, and regret hits harder than a pothole at 60 miles per hour. Click the link, get your Aquatic AV-MP5, and join the rebellion. You in, or are you still riding with FM static?